Anita, don't kill me. If you don't kill me, I'll make sure my dad gives you and your mom all the money you need. Seriously, anything and everything.
Stop. There's another way.
You guys are literally f***ing friends because of me. You guys are literally my only f***ing friends. You think I didn't see? You guys were always making fun of me behind my f***ing back. I'm f***ing stupid, God.
Can you not look at me, please?
No, fuck no. I'm looking right at you! Right at you, please! Please! No! Anita, stop!